The social map is essentially a visual representation of all of the people involved in a project. So I've got a project in the locations bar at the top here. If I move this middle bar over to the left just to give it a bit more room, and then above the preview of the email, you'll see there's a button for the social map. So what we can see here is the larger boxes are basically the louder voices on this project. Now, there's two typical situations in which this is useful, although you can be quite inventive. Now, the first is if I'm looking for someone who is responsible for a certain area of the project. So, for example, if I'm looking for the people who are responsible for the contracts, I'll put in contract as a general search term, and I can see really it's Lucy that's heavily involved in this. I can also see on the bottom left here, there's a conversation going on without everyone else, which is a bit of a red flag if they're all supposed to be talking to each other. The second example I can think of, or I've heard of, is if I'm taking over someone's role on this project and I'm not sure who I should be speaking to. So if I'm taking over Brad's role, and I want to see everyone that Brad's spoken to in the last 6 months, I can see really it's Guy that I need to be in contact with.